Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we are going to talk about the new NVIDIA Hotfix driver version 591.67 and the important issues it fixes. If you recently updated your NVIDIA graphics driver and suddenly started noticing strange colors, broken gradients, washed out visuals, or problems inside the NVIDIA control panel, then this video is very important for you. NVIDIA has officially released an emergency hotfix driver to address these issues, and in this video, I'll clearly explain what went wrong, what NVIDIA has fixed, and whether you should install this update or skip it. A few days ago, NVIDIA released its official GeForce driver version 591.59. Like most driver updates, many users installed it without facing any problems. However, after the update, several NVIDIA GPU users started reporting issues across different systems. These issues were mainly related to display colors, color accuracy, and unexpected behavior inside the NVIDIA control panel. While the problem didn't affect every user, those who were impacted noticed it immediately, especially while watching videos, using creative apps, or customizing display settings. Because of these reports, NVIDIA had to respond quickly. Before moving ahead, let's briefly understand what a hotfix driver actually means. A hotfix driver is an emergency update that NVIDIA releases between regular driver versions. Unlike full driver updates, hotfix drivers are released only when a serious bug is discovered that needs immediate fixing. These updates do not add new features or performance improvements. Their only purpose is to fix critical issues so users can continue using their systems without problems. On December 23rd, NVIDIA officially released GeForce Hotfix display driver version 591.67. This hotfix was specifically created to fix the problems introduced by the previous 591.59 driver. NVIDIA identified the root cause of these bugs and released this update to restore normal behavior for affected users. The first major fix included in this hotfix addresses color banding issues in SDR color mode. Due to a bug in the previous driver, smooth color gradients appeared broken or uneven. This was especially noticeable on wallpapers, video playback, and creative applications like photo or video editing software. With the hotfix driver installed, gradient rendering is corrected, and colors appear smooth and natural again. The second fix resolves an issue related to digital vibrance. Many NVIDIA users rely on digital vibrance to enhance color intensity and make visuals look more vivid. After the previous update, digital vibrance was not working correctly for some users, causing colors to appear incorrect, dull, or washed out. With this hotfix, NVIDIA has restored proper color behavior, and digital vibrance now works as expected. The third fix solves an annoying NVIDIA control panel bug. Users were unable to deselect the Show Notification Tray icon option from the NVIDIA control panel. While this might seem like a small issue, it affected usability and customization for many users. NVIDIA has now fixed this issue, allowing users to change this setting normally again. This hotfix driver is available for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems. You can download it directly from NVIDIA's official website. Always make sure you download graphics drivers only from official sources to avoid compatibility issues, security risks, or fake files. Now, this part is very important. You should install this hotfix driver only if you are actually experiencing the issues mentioned in this video. If your system is working perfectly fine, colors look normal, and the NVIDIA control panel behaves correctly, then it's better to skip this update. Installing drivers when you don't need them can sometimes introduce new bugs. A simple rule to remember is, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So, to summarize, NVIDIA Hotfix driver 591.67 fixes color banding problems, digital vibrance issues, and NVIDIA control panel bugs caused by the previous driver update. If you are affected by any of these problems, this hotfix is definitely worth installing. If not, you can safely wait for the next official NVIDIA driver release. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.